School. I be I am married home was Christmas. No was catch up was go see if I am a can email I carry go. I was in I go see if Naya. Here you go no now wine and carry go. Here you go now. I say Bawazia, Bawea, and I go. Otto Mandy PTA Nanya. But I need have a job browsing home or wounding to see. Oh, man, the younger old boys. Younger generation, they don't really need a video. When Marco and Alco had is on you. Oh, yeah, ex senior prefects. Yeah, handle on your and other prefects. Disciplinarians, former DSP appointees. The younger ones, their channel. This is the DTA, all moons, a lecturer, no moons, but Federal College of Education, the rest of members of the DTA working also in Dr. Ejebu, lecturer, no senior lecturer, no Dr. Mr. Ejebu, Chief Ugorabo. All brother night, landlord and royal deputy ETA chairman. So I ain't Chanine the con where the Manoya cousin ETA chairman. Introduction. Any other guy talk I because we as parents we are overwhelmed by what you are doing for us. When you mark your birthday, we wish to come, but because of the pandemic and other issues, we couldn't make it. So I know your principal. On a track, I'm more in the Kaiga, eventually, so here in car, I think we are not going to miss it. I will remember Christmas. I go see them vendor. No big parents in particular, as I put it quick. I can always gag. I am a go as parents who to eating in a yabo or no. Omokurike. Buy a ram or what I hear cat up Macana, Tuanka, Atonanka, Omurico, Mana, you single handedly, you are taking up everything, and so you have taken up that burden away from us. So I am aware as something that we need to show our appreciation. And I say that we give honor to whom honor is due. So I can be now see about Nisi with it. You when a making a man of a I know your chineke. Can on a motanwa, on now poor Jigo boy and magic for much. Now have Jesus Christ on your wine. Come out in fear. Oh, did you? Oh, look to the life. Yes. I gave you own life. Yeah. Because Christmas, I don't know the best for us. Behind every successful man, there must be a very successful woman. So, that's the idea of
Upon a woman gas support, I'm a guy to walk there. I make say any. Upon a woman gas support. Oh, what you can, I may say a person. I will see Star. Okay, now I am what you pop. Only if I find you again. Man, ask some nobody from my end, man. I'm the walker. Oh, you wait there too, not the vendor. And I'm not the net jealous here. Oh, my dear. I see everyone I know. Oh, my God, with your beer. Oh, when you might even a Facebook time. What's the original Ezubo mother and where up at two? And Munye Dr. Akadike, former commissioner for health. So look at here and see why would you go to a back and so don't not going to enable original Expo mother and we're not coming upon a so even now you go to the kids. I think he's a member. Oh, my God, mother, do got on one member or not. I'm not going to say better than mine. I don't sell up to the never wonders. What the mother will do, Mohammed, to their back. Because I only high now. It's like, oh, my kind of go out on this because of the member. We appreciate it so much. In fact, oh, my young guy goes into the best of other now, but you are the apple of their eye. Yes. We love you. We cherish you. You are the apple of the vendor's eyes. So, giving them a word of comparison. I don't want if I get a cockata. Thank you very much. I was going to mommy because you know what I got. When I may have high name. Thank you very much.
Well, maybe to Yes. Okay, you wrote something. Yes.
I want to thank you so much. We all have reasons to celebrate this Christmas, despite the fact that it has been a catastrophic year for all of us. The agro-industrial economy, the COVID-19 pandemic, economic and political troubles in the country and all over the world. Despite all those things, we still have reasons to thank God for giving us life. Yesterday, we missed a wrestling accident on our way to that was along the road. Yeah. I was like thinking, assuming I died in the process, would I have been able to, see 2050? It was just yesterday, and for that particular incident, I'm so grateful to God for giving me the life to see another Christmas. I also want to thank you, not just as a person, but as a representative of the past senior professor of BMGS Addison and the entire students. So you have really done a lot for us, right from 2013-14 to today. I've actually taken time to look into the force behind the growth of the school. I realized that the old boys played important roles in developing the school and then making sure that things move forward. And of all the alumni of the school, I realized that you in particular have played much role than the rest of the old boys. And for this fact, I'm saying thank you. Thank you so much. All the students of Wendell, we say a big thank you to you. Thank you so much.
But I must put in something because I was privileged to be in the school in the earliest stage, so I know how the school was and how it is now, and all these things, all the developments and everything we give thanks to Almighty God, and then we give thanks to you, Ahmadike, in particular, because the things you've been doing for us in the school, I don't think there is a perfect way to describe how wonderful it has been to us, even as old boys, academically, structurally, and otherwise. So we all say thank you to you, and also to your wonderful wife and your family as a whole. So thank you so much, Ahmadike. Thank you. God bless you.
Actually, I would say that you took me on our ways, pleasantly on our ways. You know. Yesterday, the principal and school manager called me and was asking me when I would be in the village. I said, yesterday in the night, we will be home. He said they would like to come and celebrate Mass for us. So use Mass to hook me. You know, I wasn't expecting you people. And behold, the principal, I welcome you. The stand manager, Father Hilary. Then chairman of PTA and financial secretary of the PTA. In the Parents Teacher Association, members and teachers. Then old boys, the former senior prefects and those who are still serving in the school. Then the students. Merry Christmas. I'm very happy to receive you on this Christmas day with this wonderful Christmas gift. This picture, I don't know where we're going to hang it. Maybe outside here or take it inside the house. I don't know where this thing can be. You know, to express my, profound appreciation of this wonderful picture of myself and my wife. The way you decorated it, we'll have to find somewhere to decorate, to put it there, so that you can accept it and beam with the type of love with which you have brought this thing to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
During my birthday, this year's birthday, the pandemic didn't allow us to see anybody. We didn't celebrate it. My media team ambushed me in Enugu. This man holding this camera, and some of them just came in. I was coming down from upstairs and I saw people in my parlor seated. They took me out. They put canopy in my house with cake and started singing. So I was embarrassed, but I was happy to be embarrassed that way. You know, I thought it was finished until I saw a video made by the school, both students, old boys, and PTA, where people spoke about me. Chairman spoke, the secretary spoke, the school manager spoke, the chairman of, vice chairman of our old boys, my classmate in Guinea. All the things people said there embarrassed me too. I didn't know that people can do this. Hilary also spoke. So I just want to tell you in very simple terms that I'm happy to be part of you. I'm happy to be part of the Bendon Memorial Grammar School. The present management have been very resourceful, and the way the present management has run the school gives a lot of joy to anybody who passed through that school. I can say that it was the vessel that brought about this rejuvenation of the school. Because when he came, thank God that our government returned the schools to the owners, to the missions. And new life came back to not only Ubendorf, but many schools owned by the missions across the state. You can see that education has become very competitive again. Our students are doing very well, excelling both in national and international competitions. And for me, that was an alumnus, or that is an alumnus of that great school, Ubendorf. I put the experience of our days in the school into consideration to wish that the school will be much better than what we saw when we were there. And the only way to do it is to help improve on the infrastructure in the school and then support you the best way that one can, so that school will continue to produce brilliant students, people who will not only be worthy in learning, but also in character. Because what is going on is that we are being now molded the way we were molded in those days, without any school, without any priest being our manager. But there were priests that were coming to celebrate Mass for us, providing our spiritual needs. They were coming from St. Andrew's Catholic Parish. There was no resident priest in the school. But they are coming on very early mornings to celebrate Masses for us, help us to get properly developed mentally and spiritually. So the way the school is now, I am very happy. Anytime I'm driving across it, I just look like this and I'll be happy while passing through the road. So this is a place you can now say, yes, I went through this school, and you'll be happy to say it to anybody. So the management has done exceptionally well, not just us that are supporting. If the management is not doing well, no matter how much you put in there, nobody will see it. So the gifts you brought here, cow, this one wonderful, but adding it cow is an overkill for me. Because that cow is what you need. And that money you spent in buying the cow, I would have suggested you use it to buy other things for the school. Because you've stressed yourself so much to go and buy a cow of about 250,000 to 300,000 naira. But since you have brought it, I won't spoil your joy. It was out of the abundance of the heart. The mouth speaks. So this is an open expression of your appreciation of our relationship. Let me tell you, it's not that I'm doing it for you, I'm doing it for myself too. Because I have very great attachment emotionally to Ubendorf Memorial Grammar School. Growing up there was fun for me. My fond days growing up were in Ubendorf. And I want to encourage you to do those things that will make you great achievers tomorrow. We didn't have a resident priest, but I belonged to Legion of Mary in the school. I was a member of the Legion of Mary, and also I was in the school choir, both in campus and St. Andrew's Catholic Youth Choir. I was there. So those things entered me. If you see me do anything today, so because of that, my application of my time to those things that help me become responsible. So now that you are there, you are better than me. The father is there. So those societies are still there. I hope they are still there. Yes. You join them, those things, young Christian students. From there, you can never go wrong. When you leave Ubendorf, go to tertiary institution, you'll be your own advisor. Nobody will advise you. I remember what I did in 1980. I finished from Ubendorf, went to the university. I got admission while awaiting my WAEC results. So at that time it was possible for you to get admission, go to the university, and they write your name with pencil because you have no result yet. So when your WAEC result comes out, and you've passed the relevant subjects for the course we offer at the university, they now write their name with and we go for matriculation. So when I went to University of Nigeria, I went there as on provisional admission. That was what it was called. So every time we were going to lecture, you will be wondering whether you will leave the school when the WAEC result comes out. So at that time, those who came in with their results, some have spent 2-3 years before getting admission, but they had their WAEC. So they were making jokes at us that you don't know when you are leaving us. So we were waiting. I was sure of myself, the result I was expecting. But that was a period of massive withholding of results. It's either they withhold mathematics, or they withhold English, or they may cancel a very important subject, that you will need. It's getting tired, eh? You can put it down. So I was going to lectures, but apprehensive that if by the chance they withhold English or mathematics or geography or economics, if any of them was cancelled at that time, I would leave the school, because I was studying estate management and all these subjects were compulsory. You must have credit level on all of them. So one day, the news came out that WAEC has released results. It became a serious issue. You have to go and get your results. So I said, okay. Man died, but once. I'll go. My fear was they may cancel one subject, but at that time, in 1980, there were a lot of cancellations and withholding of results. So I got to Mago Akoli. I stopped there. I didn't want to proceed to Brendon. So there's a place people sit down and drink. I went there and sat down. Small time, my classmate, I saw one of them. His name is Emmanuel from Obu. He's late now in Pala. One of the noisy students we had in my set. So he was coming. I saw him. I said, Impala. He said, "Hey, you are here." I said, "Yes." So he said, "Okay." He didn't say anything again. So I said, I asked him, how many subjects were cancelled or withheld? He said he cannot remember. So I was just like this. I said, "Okay, take a bottle of beer on me." He sat down and took a beer. He was drinking. He didn't tell me anything. So we were there talking. We were trying to see if other students would come. So another person came up. Another of my classmates came. As soon as he saw me, he said, "Hey!" So this was what you did. This was what you did. Everybody was following you, making noise. Look at what you have done now. You have become the best student, graduating student. I didn't want to tell him. I said, "Did they cancel mathematics?" So he said, "No. The result was read in the whole assembly for people to see. All your subjects came out, and you made A in 8 of them, and 1 credit. So you have passed everything." And now hugged him. That was how I started going to Brendon. So I went down. Our teachers saw me, and they were all happy to see me coming. But before then, I had written them a letter. When I went to the university, I wrote a letter that was read in the assembly one morning for all the students. I was thanking the teacher that I wrote, late Basilika Tuebu. His son is a Reverend Father now, from my town here. So I told him that having gone to the university, I now appreciated what they were doing for us, trying to make us do things properly, pay attention to our studies, live good religious life, and all that. And I came to the university and I was on my own. Nobody was telling me to do anything. I wake up in the morning, nobody will come hitting the cane on the door for everybody to file out. So I said, how I wish that those in school will know that when you leave the school and go to higher institution, that you are now on your own. And if you are not properly prepared before coming, you can get lost from that moment. So he liked that letter and rang the bell and brought everybody out and read it to all the students. So you see, I have that attachment to the school. So I'm very happy how far we have come. And I encourage you, those ones that are still there, make good use of their time and the facilities that are there. There are those who have left and gone to the university. Always remember the school like you are doing now. You know, you can never get it wrong. Your first family are your college mates. Your college student mates are their first family. So keep it up. We didn't have a chapel when I was there. We were using house air, the hall, using it, the refectory at that time. We were using it as the place where we celebrate Mass. And God brought me in 2016 as the sponsor of candidate for confirmation. And I knew what God did. Those who were there then, remember what happened. The breeze and the rain took away canopies and all that. So myself, I was wearing my matching uniform as the Knight of St. John. So rain disrupted everything. I said that day, it was God speaking to us that this school needs a chapel. So there is necessity is the mother of all the inventions. So I saw the need. That's how I said, okay, let me help and try it. I'm happy that where we are now, even if we don't go beyond that, the school can celebrate Mass there. There will be no rain. Even if rain is falling, nothing will happen. The Mass will finish and we'll go. But I pray that God will help us finish it on good time. I thank Father Chiu. So thank you very much. We'll remember this day. We thought these are wonderful gifts. God will continue to protect you and show you love. Whatever you do. Whatever you do must be a good thing that you will be doing. And then put your eyes on noble heights. The goal you want, the target you set for yourself is very noble heights, both in your career as professionals or whatever you will be, but as citizens and good children of God. That's what to make life most meaningful. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's hope that no distant time we'll have cause to come back to Bendorf for any ceremony that will bring all of us together again. And from there we'll continue until they do us part. So that's the only thing that can separate us. Thank you very much. Thank you. You have a guy to do for you. Okay.